Everybody, I just wanted to take a moment. This is turning out to be Ultra Power Plus Laundry Detergent Week, and my little guy's gonna bark, and I just thought of another fun use for it. And I have a lot of fine jewelry, and they always say use like toothpaste and a toothbrush to clean your fine jewelry, and that's always bothered me because I feel like it's a little bit gritty and the brush is maybe gonna scratch things. So I just wanted to show you, I've had these soaking for about half an hour in a pinch really of Ultra Power Plus. And last time I had shared with you guys this little tip: put your Ultra Power Plus in an old cake decorating little container like that and just shake it in when you need it. And anyway, I just wanted to pull one of them out and let's just kind of see. This is just was soaking, and then we're gonna dry it off with, I think the Enviro cloth is that makes the most sense to dry it off with, because all those fibers are gonna get in there and get that water out of there and everything. And there's not gonna be any residue because you don't have toxins and extra stuff in your cleaning products. So let's just take a look at how incredibly shiny my sapphires get after this. Oh my gosh, that is incredible. I love it. And then I have this Czechoslovakian aquamarine. Let's take a look at that. And this one's hard to clean because you have to get up underneath. It's a very large cut, but the stuff underneath can get really gummed up in there. So let's get that dried off and just take a look at that. Is that not incredible? Even underneath, it's absolutely perfect. I love it. So I'm gonna pull the rest of these out of here and dry them off, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to say is Ultra Power Plus Laundry Detergent is fantastic, and it is natural and biodegradable and doesn't have all the perfumes, dyes, and fillers that all the other ones have. So it is absolutely incredible for your clothes, for your family, for your life, and for the environment. Have a great day, guys. Bye.